Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Classic Round Waffle Maker. It has a brushed stainless steel housing with black accents on the handle, stay cool handle so you can lift it up to use it. It has a browning control in the front, goes from 1 to 5, 1 being the lightest, 5 being the darkest. I preheated this so the green light's on, that's the ready to bake light. Also, when you close it, you'll see what I'm going to do. We're going to close it after we put the batter in, the light will go off. And then what will happen is when it's ready to eat, it'll go back on again. So let's go ahead and make some waffles. It's really easy to do. There's so many different kinds of, I just want to stir this up a little bit because it has chocolate chips in it. There's so many great kinds of waffles to make. This one happens to make a, like I said, a traditional round style waffle. Pour the batter right in the center. And then we're going to close it. You'll notice it's also going to have 4 triangles, which you can actually cut into smaller pieces. But there's lots of great things you can do with waffles other than the traditional type. You can make savory waffles. You can use it to make chicken and waffles. You can do rosemary and salt and pepper and cheese. There's also lots of chocolate type waffles. So let's wait a few minutes, and when the light comes back on, we're going to know our waffle is ready to eat. So let's check on our waffle. Look how beautiful it came out. I'm just going to use the tongs to get it out from the top. Pull it away, put it down, and notice how you can cut it into little triangles if you want to share it with somebody, want to cut it in half, just eat half. And there you have it, a beautiful brown and crispy waffle using the classic Cuisinart waffle maker.